Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to transfer your domain to Hostinger? Here's a simple 2-minute guide to do it without stress. Go to your current domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Find your domain settings and unlock the domain. Then request the EPP or auth code. You will need this to move it to Hostinger. Now log into hostinger.com and go to domain section, then transfer domain. Enter the domain name you are moving here, then paste the EPP code. Pay for the transfer. It usually includes a 1-year extension. You will get an email from your current registrar asking to confirm the transfer. Click the link to approve it. Transfer can take up to 5 to 7 days, but sometimes it's faster. And that's it. You just transferred your domain to Hostinger. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.